Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app and navigate to your profile by tapping the ghost icon at the top left of the screen. Then tap the settings icon, which looks like a gear, in the upper right corner to access your account settings. This is where you'll find all the options to manage your activity and data. Step 2. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find the section labeled Activity or Data Management. Look for anything related to hours, timestamps, or activity history. You might see a subsection specifically for managing your Snapstreak hours or activity timeline. Step 3. Once you've located the hours or activity section, tap on it to see all the details about your logged hours. This will show you exactly what data Snapchat is storing about your daily activity and usage patterns. Step 4. Look for a delete or clear option within this menu. Snapchat should provide a button that allows you to remove your hourly data or reset your activity history. Tap this button and confirm when prompted to proceed with deletion. Step 5. After deletion, exit the settings and restart the app completely by closing it and reopening it. This helps ensure that Snapchat refreshes and removes any remaining cached data related to your hours. Your hour problem should now be resolved.